Ever wondered why Bali, a tropical paradise in the heart of Indonesia, is a magnet for real estate investors? Today, we dive into the world of Balinese property, comparing top real estate options, and uncovering the secrets that make this island a hotspot for savvy investors worldwide. Bali, with its stunning natural beauty and rich cultural heritage, offers a diverse range of real estate properties. From luxury villas nestled in the vibrant Seminyak area, eco-friendly bamboo houses in the heart of Ubud's lush jungle, to cliff-front villas offering breathtaking views of the Indian Ocean in Uluwatu, the choices are as diverse as they are enticing. Let's start with Seminyak, a lively neighborhood known for its high-end boutiques, five-star restaurants, and vibrant nightlife. Here, properties often come equipped with private pools, manicured gardens, and a close proximity to the beach. These homes serve as perfect investment for those seeking a blend of luxury and convenience. Next, we move to the heart of Bali's cultural hub, Ubud. Known for its lush rice terraces, ancient temples, and traditional arts and crafts, Ubud offers a different type of investment. Here, eco-friendly bamboo houses offer a unique and sustainable living experience, attracting those keen on green living and wellness. Finally, we arrive at Uluwatu, perched on the southernmost tip of the island. This area is famous for its cliff-front villas, offering unparalleled views of the Indian Ocean. These properties often come with infinity pools, spacious terraces, and private access to hidden beaches, making them a dream for those seeking a luxurious seaside retreat. So, why invest in Bali? The island's booming tourism industry, increasing property values, and the opportunity to earn lucrative rental income make it an attractive prospect for investors. Additionally, the rich cultural heritage, beautiful landscapes, and warm, welcoming local community contribute to the island's appeal. In summary, Bali offers a wide array of real estate properties, each with its unique appeal. Seminyak properties offer a blend of luxury and convenience, Ubud homes offer a unique eco-friendly living experience, while Uluwatu properties promise unparalleled ocean views. Coupled with the island's booming tourism industry, increasing property values, and the potential to earn from rental income, it's clear to see why Bali is a top choice for real estate investors globally. Remember, investing in real estate is a significant decision and requires thorough research. Always consult with a property expert or real estate agent to understand the local laws and regulations, and ensure your investment is safe, legal, and profitable. That wraps up our journey through the diverse real estate landscape of Bali. Whether you're drawn to the vibrant life of Seminyak, the eco-friendly allure of Ubud, or the breathtaking views of Uluwatu, Bali truly offers a slice of paradise for every investor.